Welcome back for the third module, Unit 5, Evaluation and Maintenance of Payments. Payment evaluation, it involves a thoroughly study of various factors such as subgrade support, payment composition and its thickness, traffic loading and environmental conditions. First one, structural evaluation of payments. Second one, evaluation of payments, surface condition. Evaluation of payments, that is structural evaluation of payments. Payment deteriorate functionally and structurally with time due to traffic loading and the different climatic condition. It is necessary to evaluate the condition of existing payment in terms of functionally and structurally. Instrument used is Benkelman beam. Equipment. Benkelman beam consists of slender beam of length 3.66 meter pivoted at 2.44 meter from probe. Distance from pivot to dial gauge 1.22 meter. Distance from pivot to front leg 25 centimeter. Distance from pivot to rear leg is 1.66 meter. This is the plan of Benkelman beam. This is the elevation of Benkelman beam. It consists of toe of probe, dial gauge, front leg, rear leg. This is the loaded truck. Weight of truck is 12 ton. Rear axial load 8170 kg. Dual tire. Spacing between tires is 30 to 40 mm. Inflation pressure is 5.6 kg per square centimeter. This is the accessories. Accessories used are tire pressure measuring gauge, thermometer, 0 degree to 100 degree Celsius with 1 degree division, measuring tape, etc. Let's see procedure. This is the assemble of Benkelman beam. Select the points and marked. The dual wheel of the truck is centered above the mark. The probe of the Benkelman beam is placed between the dual tires at the marked position. Dial gauge is set at 1 centimeter. Initial reading S is recorded when the rate of deformation is less than or equal to 0.025 mm per minute. Truck is slowly driven at a speed of 8 to 10 meter per second approximately at a distance of 2.7 meter and stopped. Intermediate reading I is recorded. Truck is driven forward at a movement of 9 meter. Final reading F is recorded. Payment temperature is recorded at least once in each hour. Tire pressure is checked at 2 to 3 hours interval during a day. This is the assemble. It consists of suspension system, sensor assembly, standard test wheel, digital output console, support wheels, clamping unit. The assemble driven by jeep, and then strengthening of existing payment. If the payment have to support increased wheel loads and load repetition, unexpected economic growth in that region, if the existing payment have completely deteriorated, overlays are categorized based on the tier of existing payment and that of the overlay. There are four types of overlays are used. One is flexible overlay over flexible payments, rigid overlay over rigid payments, flexible overlay over rigid payments, rigid overlay over flexible payments. This is the typical image. HMA, that means hot mix asphalt overlay on flexible payment. And the second one, HMA overlay on rigid payment, hot mix asphalt overlay on rigid payment. The same manner, rigid overlay on rigid payment and rigid overlay on flexible payment. This is the image of flexible overlay over flexible payments. Overview. Skid resistance is the friction developed to prevent a tire from sliding along the pavement surface. Lower when affected by water due to the phenomenon of hydroplaning and contaminated by mud or loose detritus resulting from the day-to-day usage. Important safety factor is inadequate skid resistance will lead to the higher risk of accidents. Thank you.